Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial, rewind effect, Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download this little zip file description. You want to drag it on top, and it is going to be a black, so what you're going to want to do is screen it. Go to speed and duration, reverse speed, and it's going to have that rewind effect, which I'm going to go ahead and mute it. And there you go, it's going to be black. So what you want to do is you click on it, go to effects, go to opacity, go to blend mode, change that to screen. And that is how you do the rewind effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're back in Sony Vegas, you want to drag in the overlay again. And delete the audio from it. Delete the audio from it. And stretch it out if you really want to. Change the blend mode. If you don't have the composite mode, right click on the little strips. There we go. Compositing mode. Okay, click on it and then change that to screen as well. And then right on the flip, reverse. And I forgot to say this in Premiere Pro, it does come with some sound effects if you'd like to put those on it. And then just copy it. Make more clips of it.
Yeah, but he's a bit.
It's kind of loud. Crap on it. And it's gonna do like a rewind effect. And that will be the end of the video. If you like these tutorials, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, guys.